Graduate ka ng nursing at gusto mong maging USRN someday, pero nalilito ka ano nga ba ang NCLEX at para saan ito? Tara, explain natin. Hi, my name is Kimi and I am a Filipino USRN and welcome to the first episode of Road to USRN where I share tips and educational content to help Filipino nurses navigate their own journey towards being a USRN. Just a quick disclaimer, everything that I'll be sharing here is based on my own experience and publicly shared information. Our requirements may still vary depending on the state you are applying to. So always check the official Board of Nursing for the latest guideline. So, ano nga ba ang NCLEX? NCLEX stands for National Council for Licensure Examination. So, isa itong licensure examination for you to be able to practice nursing in the state of the US. So, just like dito sa Pilipinas, you have to take PNLE or the Philippine Nurses Licensure Examination para makapag-practice ng nursing profession in the Philippines. NCLEX is totally different from the local boards because it is something that uses CAT or computer adaptive testing, meaning nag-a-adjust yung computer based on your performance during your examination. So one important thing na kapag ka nakapasa ka ng NCLEX, it doesn't automatically say na makakapag-work ka na ng US. Pero ito yung isa sa pinaka-importante major step towards working in the US. Meron pang ibang requirements such as state licensure. Pag nasa labas ka ng US, there are still immigration requirements and meron din mga employer requirements. So in our next video, explain natin or sasagutin natin yung tanong kung pwede bang mag-exam kahit fresh grad ka. So please make sure to follow.